QLED versus UHD 4K. What's the difference? Hey everyone, in this video we're going to compare QLED and UHD 4K technologies to help you understand the differences and make an informed decision for your next TV purchase. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the UHD 4K. UHD stands for Ultra High Definition and 4K refers to the resolution, which is 3840 times 2160 pixels. So this means a 4K TV has 4 times the resolution of Full HD, providing incredibly sharp and detailed images. Now, onto QLED. QLED stands for Quantum Dot LED. It's a display technology developed by Samsung that uses quantum dots to enhance color and brightness. QLED TVs are actually LED TVs that utilize a quantum dot filter to produce vibrant colors and improved contrast. One of the main differences between QLED and standard UHD 4K TVs is the way they produce colors. So while UHD 4K TVs can display high resolutions, QLED TVs take it a step further by offering a wider color gamut and better brightness levels, making them ideal for viewing in well-lit rooms. QLED TVs typically have higher peak brightness than standard UHD 4K TVs, which enhances HDR performance. HDR, or High Dynamic Range, allows for more detail in both the darkest and brightest areas of the picture. So if you enjoy watching HDR content, a QLED TV may provide a more immersive experience. Another difference is the viewing angle, so standard LED TVs often suffer from color distortion and brightness loss when viewed from the side. In contrast, QLED TVs tend to maintain better color accuracy and brightness even at wider angles, making them great for group viewing. Price is also a significant factor. QLED TVs are generally more expensive than standard UHD 4K TVs due to the advanced technology used in their display. However, the investment might be worth it for those who prioritize picture and image quality and vibrant colors. So to sum it up, UHD 4K refers to the resolution of the TV, while QLED is a specific display technology that enhances color and brightness. If you want stunning visuals and have the budget, QLED is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, a standard UHD 4K TV still offers great picture quality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching.